Okay, in this introduction, we're just going to talk a little bit about what affiliate marketing is. Basically, I'm not going to go into too much detail about it, but just to give you a really quick overview, let's just have a chat about what it is and how you can make money. So, in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is selling somebody else's product, and as a reward for selling their product, they're going to give you a piece of the pie. So they're going to give you a commission on it. If we have a look at just some Google images here. Do this yourself if you're sort of unsure, if you want to get a better handle on it. Have a look at affiliate marketing and just have a look at some of these infographics are quite good. But basically, it's just joining a program, finding a particular product that you can sell or you can promote. Just make sure it's something that you're passionate about. Don't just choose the highest selling, the highest price item. You need to promote the product, or you need to get people to click on the link. And effectively sell that product. And when you do sell that, you'll earn a commission for that. Now, it's not just click the link and buy, because people won't buy if you just stick a link in front of them and say click here. There's a bit more to it than that. You need to sell it, give them a reason to buy it, talk it up. So there's a bit of a process involved in this. Can be done a few different ways. We're going to talk about the sales funnel way, but there is also niche websites, which is another example. We'll cover that a little later on. So you can write blog articles, and through organic traffic, when people come and read the blog article, you could have a link in there selling that product, or saying, if you want to solve this particular problem, this is how I do it, or this is what I recommend. So that's more of a niche website approach. The sales funnel approach starts them off slow and really just brings them through the sales funnel process. Big companies, a lot of companies use it that you wouldn't even realize do use it. Amazon and eBay are the biggest online resellers, and they have affiliate programs. They're not very big in commission, but they have such a large array of products that anyone could effectively find a product, promote it to their friends, their family, their community, and if somebody clicks and buys, they get a small commission out of it. Again, it's not huge, but they do it. And most companies do actually offer some sort of affiliate payment if you want to promote their product for them. If there's a particular product that you like, have a look at the bottom of their website, and if there's some kind of affiliate offer, affiliate page, you can usually join up there and then. So that's a great way to find a product if you're not sure. Anything that you're interested in that you buy, have a look at the bottom of their page, or send them an email and just see if they have an affiliate program. And if they do, it's usually very easy to set up, and payment's very easy as well. This is more of the, as I was talking about before, the niche website or a blog. If you've got your own blog, you write and talk about your blog when customers come in. This is via ads if you've got ads on your blog site, but it doesn't have to be through ads. It could just be a direct link from your blog talking about the product that you're selling. Otherwise, if you've got a website that does get a lot of traffic, ads are always a good. Google Ads will customize themselves to your audience. So that's quite good that way. As I said, plenty of companies do it. Here we go, some ideas. So how would you send people to your affiliate offer? Content creation. So that's probably where we're going to focus. SEO, that's the niche website, as I said. Organic traffic through a blog. A review site is very, very powerful. 2 products. If you're affiliate for 2 different products, you could review them side by side, and no matter which somebody clicked on, you still get a commission out of either one of those. So that's pretty good. Email marketing, that's something we're going to do as well. So follow-up emails. Social networking, this is not, this is more sort of helping people within groups, Facebook groups and things like that. It's not joining a group and just dropping your link and saying, hey, buy this. That's very not the way to do it. Incentives are a good program. You may have, with some affiliate offers, they'll offer you 10% vouchers or 20% vouchers or something free just to join up. So that's an incentive way to join up. That's good. We are also going to set up our own incentive, our lead magnet, and then shopping and pay per click as well. So paid advertising. So in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is a company paying you to promote their item and hopefully selling it. Now, finding a product, finding our own product. The good thing about so that's what affiliate marketing is: selling somebody else's product for a commission. In a nutshell, good thing about this sort of business is online business is you can do it from anywhere. All you need is your laptop and an internet connection, which is very desirable. Depending on who you sign up with, the vendors that you're selling for, they will give you the sales copy for you. So they'll, most of the time, they'll give you what to say, pictures, images, information, in some cases videos. All of that's provided for you, and all you need to do is put it in the right order. In our case, we're going to put it into a sales funnel and give it away, and hopefully lead people down the sales path. So we, as I said, we're going to use the funnel system. And if you just have a quick look over here, so a sales funnel, instead of just putting a link and hoping people press on it and buy, there's a bit of a process. Look for a good one here. So basically, people may not be aware of the product that you're selling. So it's up to us to provide awareness about the product. Hopefully they'll be interested in the product. If not, we can get them interested by use of copy and information. Consideration, so hopefully they'll consider buying that problem. And again, that's up to us to convince them that it will solve the problem. And as you can see, you start with quite a large number of people. Not everybody's going to buy, but eventually as it works down, buyers will pop out the bottom here. So that's intent to buy the product. They'll evaluate the product and they'll make the decision. You can help them make the decision to purchase that product. And it's fairly straightforward. You want to drop a lot of people in here. And if you automate this process, you only need to send people into the top of the funnel and they'll automatically pop out the funnel. But that does take quite a lot of stuff to set up, which we're going to set up a fairly basic version of that. And again, we'll build on it a little later on. So we'll build out a few more of these steps. We might only start with one, 2 or 3 steps, but eventually we're going to build those out. So that's the funnel system. We will touch on the niche system as well, and that's building a dedicated site filled with your information, your blog usually, and organic traffic. So we'll build it so that Google will read the site, and hopefully organic traffic will find that and automatically click through. And once that's set up, that'll be on autopilot completely. But again, it takes a bit to set up. Finding an offer. So we're going to use Clickbank. There are quite a few out there, but we are going to use Clickbank here. So Clickbank, if you haven't already, you'll need to set up a program, set up an account, and that all of this information, these niches, if you like, is going to be filled with a whole bunch of different offers. So all of these are for sale and all available for you to make a commission on. So all you need to do to find your market is go into and pick your category. So whatever your niche is, whatever you're good at, whatever you're passionate about, that's what you want to pick on. And then find a relevant offer that you can continually talk about. So business is a good one, very popular, of course. Health, wealth, and relationships are the biggest. If you can find any under those, the people are always looking for health, wealth, and relationship advice. So I love cooking myself. So I do like cooking and recipes, things like that. And all you need to do to find, you'd probably want to go into a little more specific, like what type of recipes, healthy recipes, etc. Plant-based recipes, vegan recipes. So you can go in quite down to quite a lot of detail. Paleo is, of course, very big. And you'll see all of these offers. These are all offers that you can promote. The average sale is how much, on average, per sale that you can make by selling one of these items. See here the gravity score. That's how popular that promotion is. So there's a lot of people selling a lot of this. So a high gravity score is very, very good. And all you need to do, the information here, this is the affiliate page. So this is where you get a lot of other information that your buyers won't see, but it'll give you some things like copy and videos. Gives you your links, plenty of information there, how to get your links, and you'll sign up and they'll send you all the information that you need to promote their product. And when you are ready to promote the product, all you need to do is hit the promote button, get your hop link, your unique affiliate ID, and that's what you'll promote. But whatever you do not want to do is take your affiliate link, you need to sign in, is take your affiliate link and just randomly drop that all over the internet, social media. You'll just get banned straight away. Social media is way ahead and they know what an affiliate link looks like. So we can't just go and drop those links everywhere. So if you're doing that, please stop. And as we move through this, we'll show you the right way to do it. So we're going to go into how to build a funnel. So as I said, this sales funnel here, there's going to be a couple of programs that we need to build this funnel, some funnel building software, and I've lost my other. So the funnel building software and the mail out software. So the program that captures emails and automatically sends out emails, that's a different program. Two different programs there that we are going to need. Per month, it's probably going to cost between $100 and $150 a month, which sounds quite a lot, but when the automation is done for you, there's a lot of work that you're going to save by having this set up. So it's well worth it. And part of this whole training session is to make that first $150 within the month. So that will pay for itself. And then we just expand and grow, and it'll only ever cost you the $150 a month. So that's the name of the game. That's the aim of this training. And then we're just going to look at some marketing ideas. So way to get your message out there, how we can get it out there, where we can advertise, paid advertising, helping people. So giving value to people is probably the best way of making affiliate sales. And that's really what we're going to look at. So let's get into it. Ready for day one training? Follow along, click below, and let's get started.